Hello, kids! In this video, you will see many different toys, many penguins, and many fantastic birds. Okay, let's go! In this video, Maya goes in SeaWorld Abu Dhabi. SeaWorld is the largest indoor marine life theme park in the world. Wow, kids look! Maya found a soap bubbles. Wow, it's a mermaid. Wow, very beautiful. Oh, that's a big hippopotamus. Maya, be careful. Hippopotamus is very tall, but this one is really friendly. Wow, Maya, look. There is a micro-ocean world. Let's go there and see what is there inside. Wow, it's so beautiful here. Lobster is singing. What song is it? Welcome to the reef song. So great. This micro-ocean area has very bright colors. Very beautiful. And we move forward. Wow, Maya, look. There are so many toys. It's a toy shop. Do you want to buy something? It's a blue mermaid. And here is Violet Sloth. Very cool. Let's see some other toys of the SeaWorld inhabitants. Maya, let's move on and see some fishes. SeaWorld Abu Dhabi has thousands different fishes in many aquariums. Look at this aquarium. So many fishes are there. And now let's go to baby carriage and move to next point. 3, 2, 1. Go! Maya, go! Wow, it's a tube aquarium. Maya, look! Wow, Maya, look! It's a mermaid! Let's play with it! So many toys and so many soap bottles. This toy mermaid blows soap bubbles. Very cool toy. Very funny pop-up. So many bubbles. Wow, so many sharks. Maya, look. There are so many small fishes. And here we can see information desk about all the fishes who lives in this huge aquariums. Oh, Maya, look, it's a bird. You don't want to play with this bird? Okay, no problem. Let's go forward, Maya. Oh, Maya, look upstairs. There is a ramp. Big ramp. Let's go in this tunnel and see what is there inside. We need to make photo with Mama. Wow, one more toy shop. Here are so many toys, animals, and here we can see a turtle. Big green turtle. There are more turtles on the wall. Maya, look back. And now let's go into a tropical ocean area. Wow, so many flamingo.
Hello.
Flamingos are pink. Very beautiful color. Look, kids, they have very long paws. And now let's go to our baby carriage and move to the next point. Maya, are you ready?
Wow.
Where is our baby carriage? Oh, here it is. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, Maya, be careful. Not so fast. Wow, look, there are so many dolphins. There are jumping and swimming in these big swimming pool. They are so cute. Now we go with Maya in next area. Here we can see many tropical birds. Look upstairs. What a bird is it? She don't want to look at us. Birds are everywhere. Maya, look around. I can see wild ducks over there. Oh, one more bird upstairs. Kids, look. Oh, and here you can see an interactive map. Maya, let's try to move these things and push the buttons. Maybe something will happen. Here we can see green, red, and yellow buttons. And different lines. Looks like big maze. They are so cool. Let's push them all and see what happens. Wow, looks like real magic. Maya appeared in the next room. Wow, Maya, look, it's Navy SEALs. They are so cool, yeah. They live here like a big family. There are so many of them. Maya, look, they are swimming and playing together. Let's go to next aquarium. Maya, hurry up, but be careful on stairs. Wow, what a big planet! Maya, look! Do you like SeaWorld Abu Dhabi? Here we can see a big sheep frozen in the ice. How do you think? What happened? Maya is moving now through North area. It's so cold here. And next area is Antarctica. Maya, it's very cold there. Please pick up jacket. Wow, and here we see penguins. Maya, look, so many penguins. They live here and play together. Penguins are so cool. Look, they are everywhere. Hello, I'm a penguin. Hi, penguin. Come back. Maya, do you like penguins? And here you can see some backstage for your funny. SeaWorld Abu Dhabi. We love you and we will come back soon. Bye-bye.